Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today talking about something totally different. So this is not going to be a normal video on my channel. This is going to be a video about a really special friend of mine who I want to bless today. So thank you everybody for clicking on this video. Normally I talk about homemaking, homeschooling, and intentional living, but today I'm talking about a really good friend of mine, and I'm going to try not to get all teary-eyed because every time I think about her, I do. Today we're talking about Kaylyn from the channel Loved Happy, and I'm not the only one doing a video. This is a collab. We're all kind of gathering together because she hasn't posted in couple weeks and we really miss her, and we just want her to know that we love her very much and that we're praying for her, and we wanted to try to do something tangible to hopefully help her in some way. I'm one of those people that hates being helpless, and I know that she would never ask for anything, but we just know that she's blessed a lot of people through her channel, and we wanted to give back even if it's just in a small way. So I will link some of her videos in the description box talking about some of the different things that she's been going through, so you can watch them for yourselves and just kind of understand her story better. As a brief synopsis, she moved into a rental house a while back, and after doing that she started having some really bad skin conditions, and we're thinking it's due to something having to do with the house that she moved into. But she also was affected by the fires that came through Southern California. She's just had kind of a rough season, and she has been so encouraging to everyone throughout this whole time on her channel and on Instagram, which you should check out her Instagram. If you're not following her there, be sure to follow her there, and on her YouTube channel. And hopefully she'll be able to post again soon and update us on how she's doing and everything. But in the meantime, some friends of ours are doing a fundraiser for her because we just wanted her to know that we love her and miss her, and she's on our minds all the time. There will be a link in the description box for a GoFundMe account we set up to hopefully just bless her and make life a little bit easier for her. Because of her condition, her husband has come home to help her with their two very young daughters. They are living with family right now. I just know that things are just kind of tight, and there might be something that she could do to help her condition a little bit more if they had a little extra funds. So I'm hoping that whatever we can raise can go towards, whether it's a medical something or other that maybe she knows about that's out of her reach, or maybe just food. I know she's a foodie like me and a natural minded mama like me, so maybe there's just something that she needs in that regard, or just something for her family or her daughters, or whatever makes her life a little bit easier. I'm hoping that we can just help her out. And if you already follow Kaylyn, you probably are jumping at this opportunity to help her because you know how sweet she is and how she's always encouraging all of us to trust God in the rough seasons. And if you don't know who Kaylyn is, so this is your opportunity to get to know her, and I know that she'll bless your heart like she has blessed all of our hearts. So there will be a link in the description box for the GoFundMe, and then if you want to just see some more people talking about this and kind of get the different angles of things that we think about Kaylyn, you can check out the link in the description to see that playlist of a lot of her friends. So it's not just me. It's a lot of us that love Kaylyn, and we are just hoping to help her a little bit through this rough season, because we believe that she is going to be healed and that it will be just a season. But I know that this is a really hard point for her, and it's affected a lot of things in her life. So we love you, Kaylyn. I hope you don't mind. We just love you very much, and we want you to know that you're not alone. So hopefully this helps you. So thanks everybody. Check out those links in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.